Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to share with you 3 breathing exercises in sitting positions. These exercises are great for any beginner and for any age. Some people, over the years, develop poor breathing habits. When you perfect these 3 exercises, you start noticing poor breathing habits in other singers. Have you ever felt any pain during singing? Any neck pain? Any shoulders pain? A headache? Chest pain? Going out of breath while you sing? Difficulty singing high ranges? Going out of tune? Or any other uncomfortable feelings? Poor breathing habits creates tension and pain, and this will take away from the quality of your performance. Controlled breathing is the first step to successful singing. When you master these 3 exercises, you will be able to control your diaphragm, which is very important. Please note, if you have any medical issue, contact your doctor. Make sure that you are okay and ready to start your breathing exercises. When you feel uncomfortable during practices, stop and relax. Visit my YouTube channel to watch my relaxation exercises videos. I posted them previously on YouTube. They are about neck exercises, relaxation exercises, shoulders relaxation exercises, and face relaxation exercises. Proper breathing involves keeping your shoulders down always, and avoid pushing your chest and your belly out. Look at my illustration on this post. All 3 exercises are in different sitting positions. Practice your 3 breathing exercises exactly like they are shown in the illustration. Practice them in the same sitting order. Exercise number 1. Notice in this exercise, your belly is squeezed between your chest and legs, cannot stretches out, which is a great position for any beginner student. Exercise number 2. Keep your shoulders down when you breathe in. Hands on your waist to feel the stretches of your waist and your back when you breathe in. Exercise number 3. Sit as in the illustration. Keep your shoulders down during breathing in. When you feel your shoulders moving up, hold 2 heavy books in each hand. These heavy books will pull your arms and your shoulders down. Repeat each exercise 5 times and exercise every day. Always exhale with a steady hissing sound, not a shaky one, like this. And keep going till you are out of air. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me. Contact me on Global Academy of Music on Facebook or on Messenger. I will appreciate if you like my videos, and please subscribe and share with your friends. Till my next video, I wish you all the best.